I'm Dr. Deuk at Deuk Spine Institute. I'm sitting here with one of my patients. You injured yourself at work.
Correct.
Yeah, 2 years ago?
2 years ago.
You told me, what were you doing when you injured your back?
I lifted a water heater.
Yeah. So you had back pain, you had leg pain, you had a herniated disc at L5S1, and we did surgery 6 weeks ago. How are you doing?
I'm doing 100%.
100%.
100%.
Back pain is cured.
Gone. No pain down the leg.
Leg pain is cured.
Gone.
So what would you say to those people out there that don't believe you can fix your back pain?
Oh man, this guy can do it.
Deuk Spine can do it. That's right. We can do
Definitely.
it. And you're laughing and you're happy.
Yeah.
Are you on painkillers?
No, I haven't been.
Off the painkillers. Now you're a work comp patient, right?
Correct. Yes, sir.
So all these people out there think work comp patients are lying. They're just trying to game the system. They're full of it because they get back pain.
I wasn't.
No, they don't. They aren't. The problem is the doctors can't fix them, so they stay in pain, and the employers think they're just full of it. They want to fire them. But your pain's gone in your back, your pain's gone in your leg, and you're going to move on with your life, right?
Yeah, 100%.
You happy?
Very much so.
You going to go back to work one day?
Oh yeah, definitely.
I just asked him, you want to go back to work? You know what his answer was? Yes.
Yeah.
So we're putting him back to work right now. He's going to go back light duty until he's fully recovered, and then he'll be full duty. And how many weeks ago did you have your lumbar fusion?
6 weeks ago.
6 weeks. So
Yeah.
6 weeks post-op, work comp, work injury for 2 years, back pain, leg pain. Most doctors would just throw this patient out, say you're full of it, go away, you're lying, we're not going to fix you. Deuk Spine fixed him, now you're cured. He's going back to work 6 weeks after his surgery. That's a success story.
Thank you.
He's got a funny accent, so I think he's from up northeast. Where are you from?
I'm from Long Island, New York.
All right, so we take care of patients from all over the country. All right, sir.
I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes, my pleasure. It's been a pleasure taking care of you.